Hello Stampers, I'm Dina Lansendorf at Inkin' with Dink, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute, fast, easy little snowman candy holder. This little project, I've seen a couple of them online, but it's just the fastest, simplest, easiest thing you can possibly make. So I thought they would be great favors to hand out either to coworkers, or I'm actually going to take them when I go to like a doctor's appointment, any kind of appointments, post office, things like that, and give them out there. Because like I said, you can mass produce these really, really quickly. So are you ready to get started? Let's do it. So to start off with, the first thing you're going to need is the mini Curvy Keepsake die box. Okay, we had a Curvy Keepsake box a couple of years ago, and this is basically the same thing, only it's smaller. And the best thing about this one is you only have to run it through one time to get everything you need to make the box. So this is what it looks like after you've run it through, and then you just push that out like that. Push the little pieces out on the four ends, and you're ready to roll. Okay, now what I like to do before I start actually putting my box together is I use a bone folder, and I just go through and I curve all four sides. That way I don't get any kind of funny folds or anything when I'm putting my box together. So then you just turn it over, and you're going to fold up all four of the sides like that. Okay. So then what you do, you'll see that two of the ends have little slits in them, and two of them have handles. So you're going to take the handle pieces, you're going to fold them back, and then that is what comes together first, like that. Okay? And then this piece is going to go on, and the handle's going to come up through, and then we'll do this piece here, just like that. Okay? And if you just do one side, then you leave it open to put your little goodies in. Okay, so it's the perfect size to throw in a few Hershey's Kisses. Okay, oops, I think I still got one too many. So it looks like it'll hold four perfectly. And then we're going to close it up just like that. Okay, then you can choose whether you're going to use the inset side or the outset side. On this sample here, I did the inset one, and that's what I'm going to do again on this one. So the next thing we're going to need is our little snowman kit, okay, which again is in the holiday catalog, and we are only going to be using the sticker pieces right here. Okay, so I like to start off with mine and do the nose first, okay, because I always want to make sure I've got enough room and I've got it positioned where I want it. So I'm just going to pop on my nose just like that. Okay, then I'm going to use the two little coal pieces for my eyes. And there's one there. Okay, and then that's all I'm going to use of those. Because now I'm going to take a black marker, which in this case I'm just using my dark basic black blend, and I'm using the small end of it, and I'm just going to kind of make a crinkle mouth just like that. Okay, so then I thought he needed just a little something, so I'm gonna, my eyeballs are not straight, are they? So luckily they pop right off and can be moved pretty easily. So I'm just gonna use my Poppy Parade textured weave ribbon, and I'm just going to cut off a little bit, and I'm gonna stick it through the hole like that, and then simply tie it up just one time is all it takes. And there you go. There are these super cute little snowman boxes. You can tell it only took a few minutes to make one. So you can mass produce them pretty quickly. And like I said, use them to give out as cute treats whenever you go between now and Christmas. So thanks for watching. Please share my video, and I'll see you next time.